complex numbers and quadratic equations. First, I'm going to introduce you the what is meant by complex number. Till now, whatever the numbers you have learned, you know about the real numbers. So, okay, real numbers. Okay, I'm going to tell you the one interesting fact about the square roots. Already we have discussed previously. Once again, I'm saying, what is the square root of 4 is equals to
2.
plus 2 minus 2.
Plus
Plus
or
minus
minus
2. Plus minus 2.
Only plus 2. Only it is plus 2. This was given to you in your 9th class NCERT textbook. See here, if it is given to you, square root of 4 is means either 2 or minus 2 हो सकता है. But whenever this symbol is used, it is meaning that positive square root. Positive square root. But you may get out, sir, in some places we are going to get x square is equals to 4 means we will take x is equals to plus or minus 2. We will take x is equals to plus or minus. Yes, x square equal to 4 means x equal to plus or minus 2, right? I am going to ask you the one more question. Why? I'll tell you. X square equal to 4 means x equal to plus or minus 2. क्यों होगा? Before that, let me ask one. Minus, what is the value of this one? Square root of minus 3 square.
root 3.
Minus 3 square. Plus 3 or minus
3.
3? ये रूट एंड स्क्वायर कैंसिल करेगा नॉर्मली. minus 3 लिखेगा आंसर. But it is plus 3. Why? Because square root of minus 3 whole square कितना है? 9. This symbol represents, already I told you, this symbol represents the positive square. How, sir? Why it is like that? Means normally, you know, on a number line, every number can be represented only at one place, uniquely at one place. Suppose मैंने 2 बोला, 2 दो जगह में नहीं होगा ना. 2 is not in a 2 different places. Like that, if I am saying root 4, then root 4 will be at only one place. That is, suppose if I am taking a number line here 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Root 4 means this is root 4. This is not root 4. Okay? समझ में आया ना? And now let us come into the point of square root of x square is equals to 1. If square root of x square equal to x means square root of x place में मैंने minus 3 ले लिया, तो minus 3 आना है. हाँ, yes. What? Yes. Very good. Mod x. Square root of x square equal to mod x, because modulus will give you always positive. Mod x will always give you the positive. Okay, so that's why square root of x square is equals to mod x. Is it clear? Now from this we are going to x square equal to 4 means what is this one? It's a quadratic equation. X square equal to 4 is what? Quadratic equation, isn't it? Quadratic equations already 10th class में ही सीख लिया. It's a quadratic equation. But here quadratic equation we are going to learn in 11th different. If it is going to have the at most of 2 roots, maximum 2 roots only, isn't it? So now here the solution of this quadratic equation is x value plus or minus 2 हो. x का प्लेस में आप plus 2 ले लो, satisfy करो. x का प्लेस में minus 2 ले लो, satisfy करो. That's why x equal to plus or minus 2 is the one explanation for this. X equal to plus or minus 2. Another explanation is that taking square root on both sides. Usually हम लोग क्या गलत करते हैं पता है? usually everyone will do that, taking square root on both sides. ये दोनों कैंसिल करते हैं, √4 वैल्यू प्लस और माइनस 2 लिखते हैं. Bro, most of the students, most of the mathematics students will do that. ये दोनों कैंसिल करके x इक्वल टू √4 वैल्यू प्लस और माइनस. तो दिमाग में क्या बैठा है, √4 प्लस और माइनस. It's not plus or minus. You check your 9th class NCERT textbook, first chapter, numbers, 9th class. And now in the quadratic equations, you see in your textbook, I am showing to you. आपको मैं दिखा दूंगा. Here it is given to you that page number 4th page means page number 100. आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स का 4th पेज देखो, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स का 4th पेज में देखो. You can check your in your complex number chapter में 4th page में what is given to you here, the square root of a negative real number is given. Square root of a negative real number. Under that it is given to you. Is it there? Under that, therefore, the term square root of -3 is √3i. I का बारे में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा बाद में. -√3i. नीचे देखो, again the symbol square root of -3 means to represent only plus √3i only. That means symbolically whenever it is said, symbol represents that positive square root. The symbol represents that positive square root. Okay, now let us come into this point. How do we solve it then? Square root of x square is mod x plus 2. Mod x equal to plus 2. Then x value क्या होगा? प्लस 2 हो सकता है, इधर प्लस 2 ले लो, आंसर प्लस 2 आएगा. -2 ले लो, प्लस 2 आएगा. So therefore x value is plus 2. X square equal to 4 if it is given, x equal to plus or minus 2. If x is equals to √4 is given, only √4, then what is x means? Only plus 2. Why? This is a linear. X minus something is what? Linear है ना? Linear equation है ना? Linear equation will not have the two roots ना? So how do you say plus or minus 2? That is the one explanation. What we are saying, √4 plus or minus 2 नहीं बोलना. √4 plus or minus 2 नहीं बोलना. Why? Because √4 value is, the reason behind it is that one explanation you can say, suppose if anyone else, √4 is a one number. Number line में एक ही place में होगा. But that is the one explanation. Suppose if you take that √4 value is equal to x equal to √4, ये linear equation हो गया. Linear equation is going to have the only one solution. That explanation you can. Okay, so do remember this point. Most of the people will do the mistake here. Actually, when this type of the question is asked, is it clear to you now? And now we are going to learn the complex numbers. Complex number, ये सारा real numbers है. ये square root बोला है. ये these are all irrational numbers, isn't it? These are all irrational numbers. All the real number is nothing but real numbers. So what are the things we are going to have in the real numbers?